Hey, did you know that Apple has just released the iOS 18 public beta? Meaning you don't have to wait until the fall to try out the new iOS 18 features. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and install. All you need to do is sign up on the Apple's Beta Software Program website and you'll be on your way to becoming a beta tester from the comfort of your own couch. You may have heard that iOS 18 brings several new major features and overhauls to the new iPhone, including a completely redesigned photo album, text messages via satellite, a dedicated app for passwords, better customization for your home screen, an overhauled control center, and support for RCS messaging. Several of these we'll be covering in some upcoming videos, so make sure to hit the like and subscribe and turn on that bell so you're aware when new videos like this are posted. So before we even get started, there's two major things we need to talk about. First, does your iPhone even support iOS 18? Well, for that, I've listed in the description all the iPhone series that will currently handle the iOS 18 operating system. Second, you need to understand that this is a public beta, which is typically more stable than a developer beta, but in any case, it's still a beta, which means you may have to deal with some bugs and other critical issues that could negatively impact your ability to use the phone and some of the applications. So I would recommend that if you have a spare iPhone that's not your main phone that you're willing to try to run an iOS 18 beta on, I would start there first before installing this onto your primary phone. As a safety precaution, before I start the actual upgrade, I'm going to go into my iCloud backup and make sure I have a recent backup of the contents of my phone. You also need to make sure that your iPhone is on the current operating system of 17.5.1. So now that you've backed up your phone and verified you're on the current operating system for iOS, here's what we need to do next. Let's open up Safari and go to the beta.apple.com website. If you're signing up for the first time, follow the prompts as indicated. Once logged in, tap the iOS tab, scroll down to the Get Started section, and click on the blue Enroll Your iOS Device link. Next, we're going to close out of Safari and go back to our Settings, General, Software Update, and now Beta Updates, and then choose iOS 18 Public Beta. Finally, we're going to go back to the Software Update section, and now you'll notice you have an iOS 18 beta ready to be installed. I'm going to click the Update Now, enter my PIN code, and off we go. The iPhone update will take between 10 to 12 minutes to complete, so make sure your iPhone is plugged into a reliable power source. Once your iPhone has rebooted, you are now ready to enjoy the new features of the iOS 18 public beta. Thanks for watching.